How are you, man?
Hey, good morning.
Good?
I'm good.
What's going on? How are you? What's up?
It feels great. Obviously, it's a long off season, so it feels great to get going again, break a good sweat, and of course to play with a group of guys that are at a good level is always fun.
Today went well. It's definitely first day jitters. Good group of guys, it seems like it, and we all just competed.
It was good. I think I got kicked more in that session than I did the whole of last season, so it's good to sort of have all the lads running around, working hard, putting an effort in rather than taking themselves easy. But no, it looks good. We've got some good new players, obviously, the returning players as well. But no, it was a good start. It was a good start for the first day.
I think getting a clean slate with this group of guys and coming in and just trying to, I guess, prove people wrong. Hartford, I think, is a great city, great fan base, and they deserve for us to show up and work our hardest. So hopefully we can go out there and compete and do well this year, make the playoffs.
I'm fired up. This is going to be an amazing season. I can't wait. This is the group right here, that's going to take us to the playoffs for the first time in Hartford history. This is the group right here, and I cannot wait. We will be out there screaming, yelling. Wait till you see our fans at the games. They're insane. They're great. They're crazy. They love you guys, and when you start winning, they're going to love you even more. But I can't wait. But thank you guys for coming today. Have a wonderful day, and can't wait to make the playoffs with y'all. So cheers to that.